Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could do the phone throw or phone drop challenge on TikTok. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example right now.
I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time. Feels like forever, even if forever tonight.
So that is what the phone drop, phone throw transition looks like, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make one as well. In this video, I'm going to be teaching both my iOS and Android users, so if you're one of them, then keep watching. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe we'll win the next shout out for my next video. Oh, shout out to these people right here for turning on the post notifications and being active as always. Thanks, fam. Another thing is that this weekend I'm announcing the winners for the two $25 App Store gift card thingy-majiggies. So I'm gonna be announcing them on my Instagram stories. So if you don't have me on Instagram, then make sure you have me on Instagram right now, because you never know. If you entered, you might be the winner for that giveaway. And now let's get on with the video. So now let's go ahead and go to our TikTok app and let's find a song that we want to use for this video. So once you found the audio that you want to use, just go to the audio itself and it should take you to this page. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be picking one of these videos right here, and once you click on one, you're gonna be clicking on the share option, click on Instagram, and it should be saving to your camera roll. And once you're done saving your audio to your camera roll, then the next thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna be filming our video, and this is the most exciting part because it is so intense. When you guys film your video, make sure that you're outside and make sure that you're on a grass field or somewhere that is not pavement, because if you do this on a pavement, there's a chance that you might drop your phone and then crack it. So I don't want that to happen to anyone, so make sure that you're filming this on the grass, on a field, or somewhere soft. Or if you have a trampoline, then use a trampoline and film it from there, because if you drop your phone, it's gonna go like boing boing boing, you know what I mean? And that's pretty much it. Now let's go ahead and go outside and find a place where we could film this video. Okay, never mind. So I just threw out the trash, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go to a park where there's a grass that we need for this video. Children, when you're crossing the street, make sure to look both sides and make sure that it is go, not stop. Like I said, look both sides and we are good to go. Amazing. So now we're at the place where there's a lot of grass, and let's try to film it right here, and hopefully no one watches us, because there's one person there like, oh my goodness. Guys, I think it's gonna rain, but this is basically how you're gonna throw the phone. I don't know if you guys could hear me because of the wind. So when you're gonna throw the phone, you have to make sure that it is facing you when you throw it up. So make sure that you are holding like this, and while you're throwing it up like that, you make sure that you spin it a little bit, so that when you throw it up, it's still facing you when it goes up, and that's pretty much it. So basically when you throw it, you're gonna go like that, and then just like that. So I just finished filming my video, and now let's go back home and edit this video to post on TikTok. Oh! We're back in the house now. So for this one, we're gonna be using the iMovie app. And once you get on your iMovie app, just press on the plus sign right here and click on movie. And for this part, we're gonna be selecting two videos. The first one is us saving the audio from TikTok, which is this one. And the second one is us filming the video outside. And it's gonna be this one right here. Once you selected on those two, just click on create movie. And so far, we should have something like this. And as always, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna be clicking on the audio right here and click on detach and background. And for the video portion of this one, we don't need it anymore, so just press on it and click on delete. And you should have something like this. The next thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna be flipping your video so that there's no black bars on the side and it doesn't cut our video. Once you did that, the next step is that we're gonna be muting this video right here by clicking on it and clicking on the volume option and clicking on the volume icon again on the bottom left. And there you go. Our video should be muted by now. Since we want to set where our slow-mo starts, we're gonna have to click on this thingy-majiggy right here. And we're gonna be clicking on reset, because we want to set our very own slow-mo parts. And now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be finding the part where you actually started filming it correctly. And for me, it should be right here. So I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of splitting and cropping of the video until I get it to the same time as the audio. So let me edit this real quick and let me show you guys what I have at the end. When you're editing your video, make sure that the part where you throw your phone in the air isn't very slow-mo by clicking on it, and make sure that you're on the time option right here and sliding this all the way down just like that. So far you should have something like this. My face at the end though, I'm just like, oh, my phone in the air. So once you're done, just make sure that you don't have extra clips at the end. As you can see right here, I have more video than the audio, so make sure to match it with the audio and click on the video right here and click on split and delete. And now we are set to go to finally export this video and show everyone what we got. So once you're done, just press on done right here and click on the share option, click on save video, and as always, save it to the highest quality possible, and for me that will be 1080p. So while this video is exporting, let me show you guys what we have, so watch this right now. So that is how our video turned out, and now it is done exporting our video. So now let's go ahead and post this on TikTok by going to the TikTok app right here and clicking the plus sign right here and clicking on the bottom right option, which is from the camera roll, and we're gonna be clicking on this one right here and just rotate your video until you get the right rotation, and for me it's gonna be this one right here. And once you did that, just press on the next and press on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own phone troll / phone drop transition thingamajiggy, then make sure to put in the hashtag #SkySpam so I could watch your videos and react to them in the future, and also, you know, I'm excited to see them, so be sure to put in the hashtag #SkySpam. So that is basically it on how you could do the phone troll / phone transition thingamajiggy on TikTok. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it didn't help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, and which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye. Just kidding, now it is time for me to teach my Android users on how you could do the phone drop / phone troll transition as well. Got you real good. So right now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be going to your TikTok app and you're gonna be finding the song that you want to use for this transition. So let's say you found the audio that you want to use for this transition. Basically, you're gonna be going to that audio. So once you went to the audio, we're gonna be clicking on the record option right here, and basically we're gonna be filming a private and we're gonna be saving it to our gallery later on. Just film anything random, and once you did that, just pressing the check sign right here and just press on next, and on the option where it says who can see my video, just put it on private and make sure that this one is selected on the bottom left and click on post and just let it load. And once this one is done loading, then it pretty much means that you have the audio saved to your gallery. Now the next step is that we're gonna be filming our video outside, and guys, when you do the phone troll / phone drop transition thingamajiggy, usually you film it outside where it is really sunny and it is in an open space, or if you have a trampoline, then you could film this on a trampoline and just throw your phone up like that and you are set to go. And just keep in mind to never film this on a pavement or like, you know, a concrete floor, because if you do, there's a chance that you might break your phone. So I don't want anyone of you breaking this phone right now, like, you know, very precious. I like it. So make sure to film this on a grassy area or on a trampoline if you have one. So now let's go ahead and go outside and find the place where we could film our video. Okay, never mind. So I just threw out the trash, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go to a park where there's a grass that we need for this video. Children, when you're crossing the street, make sure to look both sides and make sure that it is go, not stop. Like I said, look both sides and we are good to go. Amazing. So now we're at the place where there's a lot of grass, and let's try to film it right here, and hopefully no one watches us, because you know there's one person there like, oh my goodness. Guys, I think it's gonna rain, but this is basically how you're gonna throw the phone. I don't know if you guys could hear me because of the wind. So when you're gonna throw the phone, you have to like make sure that it is facing you when you throw it up. So make sure that you are holding like this, and while you're throwing it up like that, you make sure that you spin it a little bit so that when you throw it up, it's still facing you when it goes up, and that's pretty much it. So basically when you throw it, you're gonna go like that and then just like that. So I just finished filming my video and now let's go back home and edit this video to post on TikTok. Whoa, we are back in the house. So right now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be editing our video in KineMaster. So right now just go to your KineMaster app. By the way, if you guys didn't know, there are 2 KineMaster downloads in the description down below, where the other one is that where you download it, it doesn't have a watermark. But if you cannot download that and you're having problems, then you could just download this app from the Play Store, and if there's a watermark, you could just crop it later on using a crop video app, and that's pretty much it. So once you're on your KineMaster app, just press on the plus sign right here and click on empty project, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be selecting the media browser and just find the video that you filmed outside, which is you throwing the phone up in the air, and for me it's gonna be this one right here. So once you have your video imported right here, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna be rotating this video, because if you save this later on when you're done, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna have black bars on the side, and we don't want that in our video. So basically just press on the video right here, and we're gonna be clicking on rotate/mirroring, and basically rotate it until you have it as horizontal, just like this. And once you did that, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna be clicking on the video again, and we're gonna be clicking on the volume option, and we're gonna be clicking on the volume again just so we could mute the audio of our video. And once you did that, we're gonna be pressing on layer right now and click on video, and you're gonna be pressing the video that we just saved from TikTok, which is this one. And you should have something like this, and as you can see here, it is covering our video, and that is not good. So if you guys remember from my old Android tutorials, you know that we just drag this and just say get out or something like that. So you're gonna be holding on to this one right here and just drag it out of the frame and be like get out. And there you go, we don't have the video anymore. So when you play this, you should hear the audio playing in the background. Da, 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 da. So once you have those, then the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna be matching the video with the audio. So basically for this clip right here, you're gonna be finding the part where you actually started filming for the transition, and for me it's gonna be right around here. So depending if you film this in a slow-mo or not, for me I filmed this in a slow-mo, so it is automatically in slow-mo for me. But if you film this in a regular video option, and let's say you found the part where you actually throw the phone in the air, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be finding that part, and you're gonna be clicking on the clip right here, and we're gonna be clicking on scissors and click on split at playhead. And as you can see here, it splits our video into 2, and basically the right side right here, which is when we threw the phone into the air, you're gonna be clicking on this one, and we're gonna be clicking on speed control. And to make this into a slow-mo, you're just gonna be dragging this all the way down just like that. I suggest not doing this all the way down, because if you do it all the way down, your video is gonna look so choppy like this. So if you're gonna be putting your video into a slow-mo, just make sure to put it like in the middle-ish, like around right here should be good. Okay, so once you slow down your video, then you should have something like this. Who's spinning right now? And there's me catching it like wow. So we are pretty much done editing our video. So once you think that you're done editing your video, just make sure that you don't have extra videos at the end. And as you can see right here, we have so many extra videos right here. So what you're gonna do right now is that you're gonna be clicking on the audio option right here, and we're gonna be clicking on the video option so that we could crop it at the same time as the end of the audio. And we're gonna be clicking on the scissors and click to trim to right of playhead, and we should have something like this. So once you think that you're done editing your video, then just press on the top right here to save our video, and go to our project right here, and we're gonna be clicking on the share option and click on save video to gallery, and as always export it to the highest quality possible, and for me that will be high definition. And there you go. So while this video is exporting, let me show you guys what we have so far. So watch this right now. So that is how how our video turned out, and now it is done exporting, and that means that we could finally share this to the world and post it on TikTok. So right now let's just go to the TikTok app, and once you're on your TikTok app, just press on the plus sign right here, and we're gonna be clicking on upload in the bottom right, and it's this one right here. And if your video is like this, just rotate it until you get the right rotation, just like that. And we're gonna be pressing the next and press the next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own phone troll / phone drop transition thingamajiggy, then make sure to put in the hashtag #SkySpam so I could watch your videos and maybe react to them in the future. I am so excited to watch them, so better make yours ASAP, okay? Okay, so that is pretty much it on how you could do the phone drop / phone troll transition thingamajiggy. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay.